Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the info, first of all, that we used the phone 1 hour more than yesterday. Here we've got also notified particular apps on which we've spent more time than yesterday. So we've got the settings, camera and phone, and after tapping on particular app you will be able to get into the details. So as you can see, you've got the graphs on which hour you've spent the most time, and of course graphs of notification received. Here we've got the screen time, the times opened. It was opened for 105 times. Here we've got weekly graphs also, so very I would say detailed section. Of course, the same situation with camera and phone. Under it we've got our goals, so we've got the screen time, and after tapping on it you will be able to set the goal for the screen time. So for example, you can set that you want to use the screen for 2 hours a day, and then you will be able to set this kind of goal, and your device will notify you probably that that the time on the screen is ending, for example, after those 2 hours. Here you've got also the app timer, so this is actually the same situation, the same option as here, but here you've got actually all apps which are on this device. So you can check that again. We've been using the settings for 38 minutes, camera for 5, phone 4, contacts 3 minutes, messages 3 minutes, and so on and so on. And here, for example, the gallery wasn't used at all. So that's quite a cool option. And again, after tapping on particular option, on particular app, you will be transferred to those graphs which we've seen before. So let's scroll down. Here we've got ways to disconnect, which means that you can set particular times and I don't know how to say it, and group it. For the work time, for example, you will have the info that you've got the focus mode, the work mode. So after tapping on start, you will be able to pick the apps which you only want to use in this work mode. So for example, you can exclude the messages, you can exclude the Facebook and WhatsApp, Instagram, and so on and so on. Here you've got also the duration. Here you can edit it. So this is a really cool option if you want to just focus on your work and leave the phone. You've got also the me time. So for example, if you're going out with friends or just you've got the relax time, then the same situation, you can exclude the apps. Here you can also add your own. You've got the bedtime mode. Let's tap on it, and here we've got the bedtime mode, which you can turn it on as scheduled, so your device will simply as you can see, here we've got the info that it will change to the grayscale and mute calls, alerts, and so on and so on. So really good option. And here you've got also the parental controls, but it's not very important in this video. What's more, here you've got the graphs, and after tapping on it, you can see that the weekly report will be ready at the end of the week. So after tapping on it, you will be able to gain the weekly report of all your activeness on the screen and what you've been using, and so on and so on. So this is a cool option. So actually that's all. This is how to check the screen time, the total screen time in your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.